Hello everyone, I'm Samiha Hasan from the page Whiteboard, and today I will explain the U by V rule or quotient rule of differentiation. So I am making this video on a special request of a follower who has recently started following my channel. Okay, so without any further delay, let me start explaining. So what is the U by V rule? Suppose if there is a fraction which is denoted by U by V, then the derivative of that fraction will be we are going to at first keep the V constant, and then we are going to differentiate U. After that we are going to put on a negative sign, and then we are going to keep the U constant, and then we are going to differentiate the V, and then we are going to divide this total thing by V square. So this is the U by V rule or the quotient rule, and here U will be the numerator or the above one in the fraction, and V will be the lower one in the fraction. So U will always be the above one and V will always be the lower one. Okay, so let me take my example, which is dy of y cube minus 8 divided by y cube plus 8. Now if I write down the formula, so according to my formula of ddx of u by v, at first I will keep my v constant, then I'm going to differentiate my u, then I'm going to keep my u constant, and there's going to be a negative sign in the front, and then I'm going to differentiate my v, and I'm going to divide the whole thing by v square. So if I apply this formula over here, and as I have said earlier that my numerator will be u and my denominator will be v, so according to this is my u and this is my v. Okay, now let us see what my differentiation becomes. So y cube plus 8 whole square, then I'm going to keep my y cube plus 8 unchanged, and then I'm going to differentiate y cube minus 8. Then I'm going to put my negative sign, then I'm going to keep my y cube minus 8 unchanged, and then I'm going to differentiate my y cube plus 8. Okay, so in the next line the y cube plus 8 remains as it is, and if I differentiate this part, what will happen? The 3 will come forward and the power of y will reduce by 1, so it will become 3y square, and as we know the differentiation of a constant is 0, then it will give us a 0. Okay, then negative sign, then again the y cube minus 8 will remain as it is, and if I differentiate this part, I will have the same answer, 3y square plus 0. Okay, and if I expand it now, then it will become y to the power 3 whole square plus 2 into y to the power 3 into 8 plus 8 square. Now from this line, the next line will be 3y square into y cube plus 8 minus 3y square into y cube minus 8, and here will be y to the power 6 plus 16 y cube plus 64. Now if I take 3y square common, then I will have y cube plus 8 minus y cube plus 8 divided by y to the power 6 plus 16y cube plus 64. Now this y cube and this y cube will cancel out, and now 3 into 16 is 48 y square divided by y to the power 6 plus 16 y cube plus 64 gives us our result. Thank you very much.